everybody, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen and I'm going to show you today how to make a teddy bear out of gum paste. Now if you see any tools that I'm using or if you need any supplies, check out in the description below. I have a bunch of links that might help you out. Alright, to start our little teddy bear, you make a pear. Take your brown gum paste and shape it into a pear. Ram a lollipop stick through it and that's going to be his little body. Take a nice round ball, make sure it's nice and round, and put it right on top of your lollipop stick. Make sure the lollipop stick doesn't poke through the top of the head because that would be a creepy teddy bear, and we want a cute teddy bear. And stick it aside. I stick mine inside a block of styrofoam. I put a little piece of paper towel on top so it doesn't stick, and it works very well for supporting things that have to stand till they dry. Anyway, back to our teddy bear. I'm making a bottom leg right here. I rolled a cylinder, kind of tapered a little as you saw, cut it at an angle to make it a wedge on the one side. And that wedge part I'm going to stick right underneath of his body. His legs are going to be a little bit on the shorter side. I'm sure you guys have seen the picture on the internet of that teddy bear that someone bought that was supposed to be like 6 feet tall and like 4 feet of it were legs. You don't want your teddy bear to look like that. So don't make his legs too long. Keep him a little bit on the shorter side. His arms are the same idea. They're going to be a little bit thinner than the legs and a little bit longer so that they join. You see when you cut your wedge for the arms, you're going to tuck it up between the head and the shoulder, or what would be the shoulder, and then cut another wedge just like the first arm and tuck it up in there. Make sure it's the same width and same thickness and everything. And using water, stick it into place. There you go. You got his little body going. I'm using this light brown now. It's literally just some brown I mixed with some white. And I'm going to make the muzzle of the teddy bear. I'm making it nice and round. I took a circle basically and pressed it flat on one side against the counter I'm working on. Don't make it stick out too far. I made mine really big, but you can make yours as big as small or small as you want, whatever you want to do there. And I'm using my paintbrush there to put 2 eye holes in. You saw I did them on an angle because I want my teddy bear's head, you can see in the picture on the side there, to look kind of cockeyed like he's slouched over. So that's why I did it like that. You can have yours sitting straight if you want, whatever. It's just how I did mine. These little brown circles with the little beige in the middle are going to be his ears. I just used circles, little balls of brown, pressed it down, and filled in with a little bit of the beige. I cut off the bottom edge of this circle of the ear in order to make it sit flat against the head. And if you are going to have your bear's head kind of cocked to the side a little bit, the placement is kind of important. So make sure you put it in the same spot according to the ears, just kind of off diagonal to the side. So that way that'll continue to give the idea that the bear's head is tilted. All right, otherwise you could have some, crooked looking ears, and that's not really what you're going for here, I don't think. The little circles I rolled out there are just going to be little pads on the bottom of his feet. Just did a small circle, one for each side. I'm not going to bother with his arms because you can't see the bottom of them. If his arms were shorter, if you make yours so that they sit in the front or a different pose, then you might want to consider it, but since you can't see mine, not worrying about it. Now I'm adding his little tummy circle. I'm not going to make it an oval. I'm going to leave it just a circle here. Keep it low on his belly too, like down toward the bottom. And now I'm going to fill his eyes in with some black. I got a little bit too much water there between his eyes, so he's a little shiny, but that will dry, so don't worry about that. Okay, just a little bit of black in each eye. I used a little oval piece of black on his nose. Again, watch the placement, and there you go. Nice, easy, simple, quick teddy bear. And he's perfect for little baby shower cakes or birthday cakes, whatever. He's nice and easy. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe if you did, because that helps me back. And as always, guys, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching Caketastic Cakes.